Presented next are two steam operations not all that frequently filmed. Laona, Wisconsin is home for this 1918 Vulcan 262, which operated on the Lumberjack Special during summers. Also on the property is another Vulcan product, this a diesel, out of service. The 4-spot has been working this stretch of track most of its life, a rare occurrence, perhaps otherwise true only of East Broadtop and the narrow gauge lines of Colorado and New Mexico. Only a short remnant of the logging line exists today. Due to strict new boiler laws in effect January of 2000 and the need for extensive overhaul, the 4-spot faced an uncertain future. Steam operations commenced in the early 60s with two former Soo Line coaches and cabooses from a number of roads. Passengers are transported the 1.5 miles between the parking lot and the logging museum at Camp 5. From the woods of Wisconsin, we move west to